Hey guys, so I had a customer that wanted me to make some things for them, but they didn't want to pay for the baby's booties rhinestones. And since we know those are the best and they didn't want to pay for them, well, I came down here to AXILAND. Now don't get me wrong, AXILAND has an awful lot of nice things that we can use, things that we can sew with. They even have some rhinestones that's pretty good. I hate to say it, nothing like the baby's booties, but they have all kind of vinyl. They have the regular press on flock. They have KTM mask. Look at all the different bright colors. Oh my God, look at the vinyl. Oh, that neon vinyl is just awesome. Now, since I've never been to AXILAND like this, I can't say whether it's more, better, less, whatever. But I'll tell you what, being in this store really gives you the willy-dillies, just like Miss Eve said about that fabric store she was in. I could lose my mind. I'm losing it already. Would you look at the big rolls they have up there? Oh my God, look at that. Now that would be good for Mr. Greg Barker as much as he does printing and everything. And they have the little t-shirt colors they use right here for what colors you want. I thought I would just take a little video tour and let you guys see everything they have. I know I'm going live tonight, but since I'm here, I thought I'd do a quick little, ooh, look what they got. Ooh, look what they got. Now look at this, guys. Now you know this makes me happy. It should twirl a few toes out there too. Oh, look at the colors. Okay. Oh my God, look at this one over here, guys. Let's pull this one out. What is this supposed to be, like a herringbone or hound's tooth? Or oh no, it's autism. It's the autism colors and display. Now this is nice. I would like to put that on a shirt or something, or buy this for Angel B, because I know she's always looking for something like that. This would be a great gift for her. And the whole roll is only $8.90. And I'm trying to see what, how long is it? Is it just a yard or what? But that is awesome. Right back on. But look at this here, you guys. Look at this one. Shay Shay. Pink, 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 pink. It's the pink, okay, I wonder if my camera is clean enough. Let's wipe it off. Okay, I don't know if that made it better or not, but I got the nerve to wipe it off and come and show y'all again. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, look at this pink, 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 pink. Oh, look at that. They have an awful lot of nice vinyl you don't get to see very much of. Ooh, look at this. You know my husband called this the other purple. But that is gorgeous. I hope my camera is giving this justice, because that is a beautiful color. Oh, look at this neon orange. And it has little polka dots in it. Okay. Well, you guys will certainly like this. Let's go around and see what else they got. They have all kind of hat presses and heat presses, and show you what you can do with some of their rhinestone stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, look down there, y'all. Those are the rhinestone sheets. All different colors. They have rhinestone rolls up there. Now I would like to buy one of those and do my my heat press and my brother scan and cut, and even my surgery. I would like to do some of all of that with some of this stuff here. Y'all think Miss Joy can hang? Miss Joy, you know what she say? She's strutting herself for an old lady. That's fine. Now this over here is violet. I need people to see what violet is. Every time I turn around, they say that's purple. That is not purple. That is violet or lavender, whichever one you want to call it. Now this one down here is fuchsia and silver. Now hurry up and let me find some real purple, because everybody is always talking about what's purple. Us purple girls know what purple is. Now this here is purple. Silver and purple. Okay, that's purple. Those are rhinestone sheets. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel. Would you like to say hi to my people?
Sure.
Say hello to my people.
Hey people, how you doing?
Thank you so very much. Okay. You too. Okay, guys, my purple girls. Purple. Here's purple, a purple sheet. Now, I'm not going to leave out Shay Shay, so let me find the pink. Where is the pink? Ooh, Shay Shay, they might be. Oh, here we go. Rhinestone pink. It's up here. You see it, pink, Shay Shay? Can you see the pink? Is it any in there? Because I can't reach up there. Y'all know I'm in my scooter. Oh, ain't nothing in there. They done bought out all the pink. They got the rose pink, and it's gone, too. Look, I guess there's more pink girls than there are purple girls. But, okay, cool. Who cares? Purple. Look at all the gold and everything. Oh, you come around here, they just got all kind of colors, the sheets. These are all the rhinestone sheets. Okay, how you doing, sir? You want to say hi to my YouTube people?
Sure.
Hello, YouTube family. This is a gentleman in AXILAND.
How you doing?
Okay. Here's all the letters. Oh. Y'all know I should get some of this that say Miss Joy. Look at all the cute little hearts you can iron onto your jackets. Oh, they got all kind of little iron-ons here. Bows, ribbons, crowns. Y'all know Miss Joy needs a crown. She wears her crown every day. And they got all kind of little press-ons up here that you can iron on your shirt. Ooh. I might have to come back with Miss Joy. I'm determined not to take out that debit card or that credit card, y'all. Determined not to take it out. Ooh, look at that little teddy bear up there in the lips. These are all rhinestones. They got all kind of wings. Rock and roll. Let me move over. They got the bling strings here, you guys. They got all kind of, ooh. Oh, they even got a scatter up there. I should just buy the scatter. I want to redo my cowboy hat for, ooh, this is nice. Oh, it is definitely nice. I hope y'all didn't see Miss Joy with her hair all messed up. And here we go. The checkout. They all ran away and left me. This is AXILAND. I wish I could go back there and show y'all that big print machine they got back there. But anyway, this is Mrs. Joy little tour. Hopefully we'll put it all together. Come on over here and say hi to my YouTube people. Say hello. He's always the gentleman that helps me. He helps Sean when she comes down here too, huh? Yes, all things Sean. I'll never not give her the credit for turning me on to this place, and I thank you so much, Sean. Okay, I guess we are through. Wait a minute, that didn't go on this side. Let's go over here. Wait a minute, what's all over here? Oh, okay. They have some more signs. Now, wait a minute. They have cowboy hats here. Hold it. They don't have a red one. Because I also say, look. Look at that, y'all. Now, see, if they had a red one. I wonder if I'm wearing red and black or because this will save me a whole lot of time, won't it, y'all? They got pink ones here. Y'all don't have no red cowboy hats? But they got a black one, y'all. What y'all think about that? And the white one. I think this would be right up my alley here. What y'all say? Y'all say yay? I say yay. Just for the cowboy hat to wear for the bling fest. Oh, y'all, I'm kind of debating on what I should do over here. Look at all the little pink cancer things here. Yes, look at these things they got here. Oh, then they got California Love. California. Well, Miss Joy is going to have to tell you guys bye from AXILAND. Thank you for coming on this little tour with me. Remember what I always tell you. You're more than enough for who God has made you for. Well, here's all their rhinestones over here. You're more than enough for who God has made you for. And when you're going through hell, don't stop. Keep going. This is the SS. What are these? SS. That says SS12s. And they have 40 in a pack. Then they have the big bags over here. Oh God, I said I was saying goodbye. I'm still up in here, huh? Well, it's only because, remember, my customer didn't want to pay for the baby's booty best of the best. She wanted the cheaper brand, so. And they have a lot of neon down here, you guys. They almost have something like traffic cone. Okay, so it's in here. My bag fell. Okay, look at this little cowboy lady here. She all decked out. Okay, let's back it on up. But we are going to be saying goodbye to AXILAND and get back because Miss Joy has an awful lot of things to do. An awful lot of things to do. Okay. There are all their big bags over there. I'm trying to turn this scooter around. Y'all know me and this scooter. Okay. Okay, now, again, Miss Joy's gonna say, we're gonna say bye to AXILAND and get on up out of here. Y'all have a very blessed day. Remember, Miss Joy is always praying for you. Have the best week you can. And hey, don't forget to turn into Miss Joy tonight. 6:05 p.m. Central Pacific Time. 9 p.m. Central Time. And y'all figure out all them other times. Bye.